Matthew 4, maka Yesus dibawa dan berkata kepadanya, jika engkau anak Allah, perintahkanlah supaya batu-batu ini menjadi roti. And when the time come to him, he said, if thou be the sons of God, command that this stone be made bread. Tetapi Yesus menjawab, ada tertulis, manusia hidup bukan dari roti saja, tetapi dari setiap firman yang keluar dari mulut Allah. But he answered and said, it is written, when man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. Kemudian iblis membawanya ke kota suci dan menempatkan dia di bumbungan bait Allah. Then the devil take him up into the holy city and set him on pinnacle of the temple. Lalu berkata kepadanya, jika engkau anak Allah, jatuhkanlah dirimu ke bawah, sebab ada tertulis mengenai engkau, ia akan memerintahkan malaikat-malaikatnya, dan mereka akan menatang engkau di atas tangannya, supaya kepada batu. And said unto him, if thou be the Son of God, cast thyself down, for it is written, he shall give his angel charge concerning thee, and in their hands they shall bear thee up, lest at any time thou dost thy foot against a stone. Yesus berkata kepadanya, ada pula tertulis, janganlah engkau mencobai Tuhan Allahmu. Jesus said unto him, it is written again, thou shalt not tempt the Lord thy God. Dan iblis membawanya pula ke atas gunung yang sangat tinggi dan memperlihatkan kepadanya semua kerajaan dunia dengan kemegahannya. Again the devil take him up into an exceeding high mountain and showed him all the kingdom of the world and the glory of them. Dan berkata kepadanya, semuanya itu akan kuberikan kepadamu, jika engkau sujud menyembah aku. And said unto him, all these things will I give thee, if thou wilt fall down and worship me. Maka berkatalah Yesus kepadanya, enyahlah iblis, sebab ada tertulis, engkau harus menyembah Tuhan Allahmu, hanya kepada Dia sajalah engkau berbakti. Then said Jesus unto him, get thee hence, Satan, for it is written, thou shalt worship the Lord thy God, and him only shalt thou serve. Lalu iblis meninggalkan dia, dan lihatlah, malaikat-malaikat datang melayani Yesus. Then the devil left him, and behold, angels come and ministry unto him. Tetapi waktu Yesus mendengar bahwa Yohanes telah ditangkap, menyingkirlah ia ke Galilea. Now when Jesus had heard that John was cast into prison, he departed into Galilee. Ia meninggalkan Nazaret dan diam di Kapernaum di tepi danau di daerah Zebulon dan Naftali, and leaving Nazareth he came and dwelt in Capernaum, which is upon the sea coast in the borders of Zebulon and Naphtali, supaya genaplah firman yang disampaikan oleh Nabi Yesaya, that it might be fulfilled which was spoken by Esaias the prophet, saying, tanah Zebulon dan tanah Naftali, jalan ke laut, daerah seberang sungai Yordan, Galilea, wilayah bangsa-bangsa, the land of Zebulon and the land of Naphtali, by the way of the sea, beyond Jordan, Galilee of the Gentiles. Bangsa yang diam dalam kegelapan telah melihat terang yang besar, dan bagi mereka yang dinaungi maut telah terbit terang. The people which sat in dark saw great light, and to them which sat in region and shadow of death light is sprung up. Sejak waktu itulah Yesus memberitakan, bertobatlah, sebab kerajaan surga sudah dekat. From that time Jesus began to preach and to say, repent, for the kingdom of heaven is at hand. Dan ketika Yesus sedang berjalan menyusur danau Galilea, ia melihat dua orang bersaudara, yaitu Simon yang disebut Petrus dan Andreas saudaranya. Mereka sedang menebarkan jala di danau, sebab mereka penjala ikan. And Jesus, walking by the sea of Galilee, saw two brethren, Simon called Peter, and Andrew his brother, casting a net into the sea, for they were fishers. Yesus berkata kepada mereka, "Mari, ikutlah aku dan kamu akan kujadikan penjala manusia." And he said unto them, "Follow me, and I will make you fisher of men." Lalu mereka pun segera meninggalkan jalannya dan mengikuti dia, and they straightway left their nets and followed him. Dan setelah Yesus pergi dari sana, dilihatnya pula dua orang bersaudara, yaitu Yakobus anak Zebedeus dan Yohanes saudaranya bersama ayah mereka Zebedeus sedang membereskan jala di dalam perahu. Yesus memanggil mereka, and going on from thence, he saw other two brethren, James the son of Zebedee and John his brother, in a ship with Zebedee with their father, many had nets, and he called them. Dan mereka segera meninggalkan perahu serta ayahnya lalu mengikuti dia, and they immediately left the ship and their father and followed him. Yesus pun berkeliling di seluruh Galilea. Ia mengajar dalam rumah-rumah ibadat dan memberitakan Injil Kerajaan Allah, serta melenyapkan segala penyakit dan kelemahan di antara bangsa itu. And Jesus went about all Galilee, teaching in their synagogue and preaching the gospel of the kingdom, and healing all manner of sickness and all manner of disease among the people. Maka tersiarlah berita tentang dia di seluruh Syria, dan dibawalah kepadanya semua orang yang buruk keadaannya, yang menderita berbagai penyakit dan sengsara, yang kerasukan, yang sakit ayan, dan yang lumpuh. Lalu Yesus menyembuhkan mereka, and his fame went through all Syria, and there broke unto him all sick people that were taken with diverse disease and torment, and those which were possessed with devils, and those were lunatic, and those that had the palsy, and he healed them. Maka orang banyak berbondong-bondong mengikuti dia. Mereka datang dari Galilea dan dari Dekapolis, dari Yerusalem dan dari Yudea dan dari seberang Yordan. And there followed him great multitude of people from Galilee and from Decapolis and from Jerusalem and from Judea and from beyond Jordan.